It's about to rain. You know, you've been doing well, and suddenly everything starts to turn sour, and you realize that you sort of lost your edge. You forgot the lessons that you taught yourself, and you are entering the inevitable temporary drawdown. So in these cases I always remind myself to, what I wanted to learn before, what are the core sort of principles that I need to repeat to myself to actually sort of reduce my weaknesses, my biases from the habits that I lived, that I used a long time, and I need to sort of counteract them these days. And yes, and you have to prepare yourself for the sort of mental and sort of mental stress, and you have to sort of prepare and think about how you're gonna interpret everything as an opportunity and how you're going to be resilient.